Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seat while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Astro YouTube channel. Today we have something extremely exciting for me and the YouTube channel. A little package from ZWO. I think you guys might know what this is, and I purchased this from Woodland Hills Telescopes from California, and it got here today in the mail from FedEx, and we're gonna unbox it. It is the ZWO ASI 2600 MC Pro, my first dedicated astronomy camera. I am super excited about this thing. This is my first dedicated astronomy camera, so we're gonna go ahead and start this unboxing and get right into it. I do have my old DSLR sitting here to witness its demise, but don't worry, this thing will be utilized for 50mm astrophotography, so I'll still use it. But it has served me well over the last almost 2 years now, and it is time to finally upgrade to a dedicated astronomy camera. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Need a knife. Right, here we go. We've got the USB 3 cable there. Another USB 3 cable, that's pretty cool. Another. And look at this case. There it is. We've got the spacer rings here for proper back focus, so we'll definitely be using that. And another ring and another spacer ring and an Allen key and a guide for the camera. So we're gonna open this case up. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is a beast of a camera. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. This is crazy. My first dedicated astronomy camera. This thing is huge. The ASI 2600 MC Pro. This is crazy. I've got some specs pulled up on the computer here. So it uses the Sony IMX 571 APS-C size back illuminated sensor. And that's the great thing about it. It's APS-C size, so it's like a DSLR. It has a huge resolution, 6,248 by 4176, and then when you drizzle that, that's going to make it a 12,000 pixel wide picture, so you can get some really nice prints made. And 16-bit depth, so really nice high dynamic range, low read noise. You can cool up to 35 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature, so you'll be imaging this thing at sub-zero temperatures. It has 256 megabytes of RAM for image processing through the computer. And the quantum efficiency, 80% quantum efficiency, small pixel size at 3.76 microns. That's going to put my image scale with the Zenithstar 61 at about 2.1 pixel scale arc seconds, so nice and sharp. Let's open this thing up here. Look at that sensor. Has a built-in IR cut filter, so you have that IR protection. And really, this is the best color camera you can get from ZWO. This is the top of the line cooled color camera. Super excited about this. So yeah, look at that sensor. DSLR size sensor. Nice big bulky camera. Really nice. Can't wait to use this thing. And I don't have any filters for it yet, but I'm thinking about getting the Optolong L Extreme at some point, and possibly an L Pro, but I'm in a Bortle 4 Sky, so I think that IR cut filter will do just fine. I'm going to test it out and see, but man, I cannot wait to test this thing out. This thing is a beast of a camera. And it might actually weigh a little bit more than my DSLR. I've got these spacer rings here. Requires 55 millimeters of back focus. So I'll have to do some playing around with the Zenithstar 61 to get correct back focus with that adjustable field flattener. But this thing is awesome. It is just a couple millimeters bigger than my DSLR sensor, so it gives me just a tad bit more of a wider field of view. So super excited about this. But here in the next few days, hopefully it'll be clear and I'll be able to test this thing out. And that is pretty much it. It's got this nice case, so I'll just store it in that. Slip that in there. We'll probably fit this thing onto the telescope here. I'm gonna this is 16. Put this on here. Nice. So yeah, it'll be something like that going onto the scope, and that's gonna be really nice. So hope you guys like this quick unboxing. Stay tuned for future uploads with this awesome dedicated astronomy camera. I just wanted to do a little quick unboxing video. I've never done an unboxing video on this channel before, so I have finally made the upgrade to a dedicated astronomy camera. This is going to totally revolutionize my astrophotography. I mean, the Canon XSI has been holding me back for a while now, and I've been looking at this camera for the last few months, and I finally did it, and this thing is awesome. I've watched lots of videos on it. Even Astro Backyard says the 2600 MC Pro is like the best color camera you can get. He was reviewing the QHY twin brother of this camera, the 268C. Uses the same sensor, same technology, same camera basically. So, plus you get that IR cut filter built in. But this thing's awesome. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna wrap it up. Stay tuned for the next video where I test this camera out. And until next time, thank you for watching Astro Pilot and clear skies.